Hi all, let's try to understand the current market situation and what we need to do going ahead. So the first important thing is this September month belongs to IPOs. So there are lots of IPOs lined up in this month. So our first focus has to be on the IPOs. So if you look into this, there are no upcoming IPOs in the next week. I think there is one IPO which is scheduled in next week. Maybe that is going to be come on 21st. But in this week we don't have any IPOs. So now let's look at the normal market. So if we check the normal market, we can see that there are two important things which we have to consider for this weekend. The first thing is that the new SEBI rule for multi-cap mutual fund, which has made it mandatory for all the multi-cap mutual fund to hold minimum 25% of small cap and mid cap mutual fund. So here we had given the list of mutual fund, which if you check their current allocation, the small cap allocation is very less, 1%, 4%, so that is below 25%. So if they have to be compliant with SEBI rules and regulation, they must have to increase this allocation up to 25%. So what can happen? So if we look into that, they have very high allocation to large cap stocks. So like 78%, 86%. So they have to reduce that and they have to increase the small cap stack. So lots of experts are expecting that there will be some sell off in the large cap stock and there will be buying in the small cap stock, but that can happen, but there is also the timeline for that, that is up to January 2021. If you check these reports in details, so you will come to know means what is going to happen there. If you check the last point, it has been mentioned that they have also option to merge the funds or transfer from one fund to other fund. If this happens, then there might not be the case for means huge buying in the small cap. So but this can happen over a time period. Small cap stocks can gain some momentum going ahead. So now the second important factor is, we let's look into some uh, dollar data, means micro data. So if we check the micro data, let's focus on this USD INR chart. So dollar index, in last few days, means last few months actually, if you check, the dollar index has been continuously declining. If you check here, you will get to know that, and now it has come to a support point and it may retrace from here, means it can take support from here and go up. So rupee may depreciate. So this will benefit the export related companies. There are export related companies like IT, pharma, then we have some auto ancillary companies as well, like Minda Industries, Balkrishna Industries. So those may also benefit from this. So this is the important macro factor which we need to consider here. And this is negative for metal stocks. So that is also we need to consider. So considering this macro factor and our local development, so we have to look into Nifty small cap. If you check the small cap, if let's firstly focus on the IT stocks. IT stocks, if you look at here, there is a Persistent System, Tata ELXI. So these could be the good bets. If you look into the Persistent System, it looks good. It has corrected a little bit from its 52-week high, that is 1128, and it's right now around 1000. And this is also its 20 DMA support. So if you are buying the stocks, then it's good to buy it around some moving average stock. So this looks good to me. You can also consider some other stocks as well from this list. So I would prefer to buy stocks from this list right now. So there is if we check into